Deepfake technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we create and consume media, but it also has the potential to be misused and cause serious harm. Deepfake refers to using artificial intelligence and machine learning techniques to create realistic, nearly undetectable videos or images that have been manipulated or altered. Deepfake technology is a type of artificial intelligence used to generate realistic synthetic media, such as images, videos, and audio, using machine learning techniques. These techniques involve training a neural network on a large dataset of tangible media, and then using that trained network to generate new, synthetic media similar to real media. Several technical aspects are involved in the creation of fake media, including: Number 1. Data collection. A large dataset of real media is needed to train the neural network. This can be time-consuming and may require specialized equipment or software. Number 2. Model training. The neural network is trained on the collected dataset using a process called supervised learning. This involves feeding the network input and corresponding output data and adjusting the network's parameters to minimize the error between the predicted output and the actual output. Number 3. Generative modeling. Once the neural network has been trained, it can generate new synthetic media. This is done using a generative modeling process, where the network is fed random noise as input and produces synthetic media as output. Number 4. Post-processing. The generated media may require additional post-processing to make it look more realistic and to correct any artifacts or abnormalities. This may involve techniques such as color correction and denoising. Overall, the technical aspects of deepfake technology involve machine learning and neural networks to generate synthetic media similar to real media. Deepfakes allow translated films to feature the original actors by modifying footage and replicating their voices to resemble the original cast. This provides for the exchange of ideas, movies, and other creative works globally, even for those with limited resources. This can increase the variety and accessibility of entertainment and content by overcoming language barriers. Deepfake technology is not limited to video, as deepfake audio has also become a rapidly expanding field. It is now possible to create realistic audio of deepfake using deep learning algorithms with just a few hours of audio of the person being replicated. Once a voice model is created, that person can say anything. This technology can be used in the gaming industry, allowing characters to convey a more comprehensive range of lines rather than being limited to a pre-recorded selection. Some news organizations use deepfakes of their reporters to publish news around the clock without having the actual reporter present, potentially saving time and money on studio and labor costs. The Korean television network NBN, for example, used a deepfake of their news anchor Kim Yoo-ha. It informed viewers that the newsreader was fake, but intended to use it for specific breaking news reports. DeepBrain A, the South Korean company that created the deepfakes, has expressed interest in finding media buyers in the US and China, raising concerns that traditional newsreaders may become obsolete. Deepfake technology has the potential to be used in a variety of ways, both legitimate and malicious. Some potential uses of deepfake technology include: Number 1. The entertainment industry. Deepfake technology can be used in the entertainment industry to create realistic special effects and to bring old footage to life. This can allow filmmakers to recreate scenes or to get back actors who are no longer alive. For example, a TikTok account featuring deepfake videos of Tom Cruise has gained popularity due to the advancement of deepfake technology in recent years. The account includes videos of Cruise performing various activities, such as washing his hands, playing golf, and doing magic tricks. The company Metaphysics created these deepfakes, which have also produced convincing imitations of Simon Cowell. While deepfakes have the potential to be used in the film industry to bring back deceased actors or actresses, their use raises ethical concerns. However, from a practical standpoint, deepfakes may be more straightforward and cost-effective than other alternatives. Number 2. Educational content. Deepfake technology can create educational content, such as virtual reality experiences or interactive history lessons. This can make learning more engaging and interactive for students. Number 3. Training and simulations. Deepfake technology can create realistic training simulations for various industries, such as the military, emergency services, or aviation. This can allow for more effective and practical training without needing real-world resources. Number 4. Marketing and advertising. Deepfake technology can be used to create engaging and realistic marketing and advertising content, such as virtual product demonstrations or celebrity endorsements. Cadbury collaborated with Bollywood star Shah Rukh Khan on a marketing initiative for COVID-19 affected small businesses in India. Owners of companies provided information about their establishments, and Cadbury employed deepfake technology to simulate Mr. Khan endorsing them in targeted advertisements. A similar initiative by Lay's in 2021 saw the creation of a website called Messy Messages, where fans could input their names to receive personalized messages from the legendary footballer. Brands are using deepfakes to reduce the cost of their video advertisements. In addition, deepfake campaigns make it easier for companies to enter foreign markets, stretch their marketing budgets, and provide audiences with hyper-personalized content at the touch of a button. Number 5. Personal use. Individuals can also use deepfake technology for personal projects or creative endeavors, such as creating video montages or custom music videos. A company called Metaphysics specializes in creating deepfake videos for various purposes. One of their most well-known deepfake videos was a convincing imitation of Simon Cowell on America's Got Talent. The company has also produced deepfake videos on Tom Cruise for a TikTok account, featuring Cruise performing various activities such as washing his hands and playing golf and magic tricks. In addition to entertainment purposes, Metaphysics has also explored the use of deepfaking for practical applications, such as language translation. For example, they have developed a system allowing translated films to feature the original actors by modifying footage and replicating their voices to closely resemble the original cast. This technology can potentially increase the exchange and accessibility of ideas, movies, and other creative works on a global scale, even for those with limited resources. Metaphysics has shown a solid dedication to pushing the boundaries of deepfake technology and finding new and innovative ways to use it. One major issue with deepfake technology is that it can be used to create fake news and spread misinformation. Deepfake videos and images make it difficult to tell what is real and what has been manipulated. This can lead to the spread of false or misleading information, which can have serious consequences. For example, deepfake technology has been used to create fake videos of politicians or other public figures, which can manipulate public opinion or interfere in elections. Deepfake technology has been used in various contexts, both legitimate and malicious. Here are a few examples of deepfake technology in action. Deepfake technology has been used in the entertainment industry to create realistic special effects and to bring old footage to life. For example, deepfake technology was used to recreate a young Carrie Fisher for the movie Rogue One, a Star Wars story. Deepfake technology has also been used to create educational content, such as virtual reality experiences and interactive history lessons. For example, a deepfake video was made of President Abraham Lincoln giving a virtual tour of the White House. Deepfake technology has been used to create fake news and to spread misinformation. For example, a video of Nancy Pelosi, the Speaker of the U.S. House of Representatives, was circulated online to make it appear that she was drunk or impaired. Deepfake technology has also been used to interfere in political processes, such as elections. For example, deepfake videos of political candidates or public figures have been created and circulated to manipulate public opinion. In 2018, a Belgian political party made public a video showing Donald Trump pressing Belgium to leave the Paris Climate Accord in a speech. Trump never gave that speech. However, it was a deepfake. Soon, individuals like YouTubers and TikTokers will be able to create visual effects of the same quality. Within 5 to 7 years, this will be possible. If you've made it this far, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to show your appreciation. To address these issues, it is crucial to increase awareness and understanding of deepfake technology and to develop strategies and technologies to detect and prevent the misuse of deepfake content. It is also essential to educate people on critically evaluating the content they encounter online, and encourage them to fact-check information before sharing it. By working together, we can mitigate the negative impacts of deepfake technology and ensure that it is used for the betterment of society.